And this first song that we're doing, we've done pretty much at every single convention that we've ever been at. So it's the first one that we did in EXPCon.
Yes. It's pretty much our token song.
Yeah. And we usually do it every single time, like in the hallways, and then people are like, "Whoa, it's Zelda!" So yeah. So hopefully you enjoy this. It's Zelda.
So you remember that really funny part at the end when you think everything's over and you see the really creepy turrets singing to you in Italian? So yeah, we decided, well, we sing, and we're not turrets, so we won't kill you.
We're creepy.
So this is the beautiful turret opera from Portal.
is that the tour opera that you just heard was actually arranged by Caroline. Yeah. And this next song, Mega Man, is also arranged by Caroline. So
I'm old school. I like old school like man.
So where's this one from?
Which game?
Mega Man?
The original.
Like from like 5,000 or Mega Man, there's like a bajillion ones. You know the one where they jump in the robot and
He's got the suit and he like has the blaster.
Has anyone seen that video where they're like, it's Jump and Shoot Man?
Jump and Shoot Man.
Anybody? No? You have to go watch it. It's hilarious. Like, there's cussing though. Anyways. But it's really funny.
Oh,
Anyways,
no.
so.
That's your job. That's my only job. I'm supposed to talk.
You can talk. She said that she didn't want to talk, so I gave her this job. I will anyway. Oh wait, we have a video for this one.
I was waiting for him to tell me.
Thank you. Oh yeah, let's divide.
Parentheses.
Just in case if those of you who don't play Mega Man, you'll kind of know
This is
what
what the experience is like.
Crapcon! Did you say Crapcon?
Respect. We beat the game. Late night Toonami. Does anyone remember Wolf's Rain?
Yeah.
Yes. It was kind of angsty, right?
It's very sad.
It was angsty. Really. Oh yes. Thank you. Oh, awesome. Alright, formation for Wolf's Rain.
Oh!
Actually,
I think you're blocking Carl. Huh? Oh, sorry. Oh, water break. Anyways, Wolf's Rain. This is the ending theme, and there's a really pretty solo to it. Yeah, Wolf's Rain. I don't know if any of you have been on our Facebook, Melody Challenge Shop. I actually talked about it a little bit. I was like, so does anyone know about Wolf's Rain? They're like, oh, I think it's what's that one show with wolves in it? And I was like, yeah, it's in the title.
It's
So.
an oldie but a goodie.
But yeah, but then there's his last song, and Tony and I were listening to it. We're like, oh my god, Soundbites must do this. So here's our rendition of Bull Train Gravity.
I have to stop eating mints.
Don't eat all the mints.
So good. So good.
So,
Does anyone remember Oron High School Host Club?
I do.
Yes. I watched it for free on Hulu when Hulu was for free. But such a great and funny show. The animation is great. There's so many little jokes. Once you watch it the second time, they're kind of revealed. It was very funny, very romantic, very honest. So that's what the opening theme and the ending theme, what we've taken from it. Thank you.
Is this a mashup of the intro and the ending?
I usually wear a blonde wig for this to create the Tamaki image, but I'm too old for that right now. Just kidding. Just kidding. I'm with my peers, so I could if I wanted to. Thank you. And then, so we're gonna sing it in its Japanese, and I hope that you remember.
Tomorrow. Guess our ages.
That'd be fun.
That'd be bad.
Very wag.
What's a good?
What's a CD these
actually
days?
says?
A what?
What's a C these days? Do you know the beginning thing?
Do you remember the thing where they say something about elite school children? They spend their afternoons
Entertaining ladies who have
entertaining
too
ladies who
much
have
time
time
on their
hands.
hands. Things of that nature.
It was really eloquent, but we don't know.
We're gonna make him say it, but we didn't write it down, so he's not gonna say it anymore.
Just to give some background, a sakura kiss is a kiss during the cherry blossom festival that lasts a week, maybe? It's such a short time, so if you kiss, it's said that you'll find true love under the cherry blossom tree.
Oh.
Why don't you come closer? Oh! You just walked in. Come to bed. Oh, okay. Oh, hi, Mom.
優しい君に桜キスときめいたららんまんこしよ未来よりも今がかじい麗しい春の恋は花咲く乙女の美学 Baby, you're my la pa pa ba la 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 pa pa la. Ooh pa 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 pa. Ooh pa 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 ba la 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 pa pa la la. Ooh pa 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 pa. Ooh pa 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 pa. ロゼマイル走って息を切らしてアドレナイン100リットルくらいすべて見返してるここまで来ればいいだろうここまでが OK 街を彩る木々は勾配すべて見返してる変われた得た白さ変われない弱さ今ここに芋に分を信じた右手左手振りかざして盛りつここに咲いて Go 偽りはないぜ100で見てるぜスタートきっとその瞬間は世界に終われさThank you.
I always feel like at the end we should go like, "So," but I never said anything.
Next time.
Next time.
Next time we have a concert at BelleCON's first convention. Next
Next
time we'll do it.
time.
The board hearts are light.
But it's so pretty.
But I love it. God.
But I really like it.
Now,
Brownies are
contextually,
better.
probably the weirdest combination of anime culture and video games and animation, would you say it was Kingdom Hearts?
Kingdom
The
Hearts?
weirdest
Yeah.
combination?
Yeah.
But it kind
But
of worked,
it
right?
worked really well.
Anybody
It's a
play
good
Kingdom Hearts? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah?
Everyone on this board
Yes?
did.
Okay.
Showing
Well,
Work girl.
I guess should I talk about that one?
Yeah?
Okay, let's get into formation while we do this. So this one, I actually arranged this, the last one and this one, and a couple more of these I arranged. But yeah, I actually we were like, well, there's so many great Kingdom Hearts songs. What are we gonna do with all of these great ones? Because we already tried doing a medley once with Mario songs, and it ended up being 10 minutes long.
Yeah.
Because there's
That
so
was
many great
fun.
ones with that one. So I decided not to put us through the torture of that one. We just picked 2 songs from Kingdom Hearts? 3?
That
3.
song's somewhere
3.
on YouTube. If you feel like listening to 10 minutes of Mario, it's on YouTube somewhere.
It's somewhere in the interwebs. But this one, it includes Dearly Beloved, which is the one you'll hear. It goes doo-doo-doo-doo-doo.
Select start screen.
Yeah,
Yep.
and then you'll also hear the one in Kingdom Hearts 2. It's My Sanctuary. In you and I. Yes. And then in Kingdom Hearts 1, it was Sean and my favorite one, and so I had to throw it in there, which is Hold Me, Whatever Lies Beyond This Morning. Yes, so we'll get to that. And so here's Kingdom Hearts. Do we have pictures? I've been having these weird thoughts lately. Like, is any of this for real? Or not?
My sanctuary.
My sanctuary now, where fears and lies melt away.
my sanctuary.
My sanctuary now.
Hold me, whatever lies beyond this morning is a little later on. Doesn't scare me at all. Nothing's like before. Simple and clean, simple and clean, simple and clean, simple and
Okay, you don't say this one. No. You're done with it. Go. Okay. This next song actually was arranged by somebody not in this group. We had a friend of ours that was like, man, this group is awesome. We want to arrange for it. And so I was like, go ahead. I was like, do you want to sing? He's like, no, I don't want to sing. I just want to arrange. So I was like, all right, cool. And so I gave him a list of songs that we all wanted, that we picked out. I was like, pick one of these. He's like, Sonic Cityscape. It's fine. I'm doing it. That one. So I was like, okay.
Sonic Adventure.
Sonic Adventure? Yeah!
Yeah.
The last goods.
That's
Until Sonic Generations. Sonic Generations wasn't bad.
You're up there, sweetheart.
They actually did a remake of this song on Sonic Generations.
So, oh, okay. Oh, the arranger of this is named Justin Walker. He's not here, but yes. Is this right?
Sure.
Yes. Okay. Cool.
Rolling around at the speed of sound. Got places to go, gotta follow my rainbow. Can't stick around, have to keep moving on. Guess what lies ahead? Only one way to find out. Must keep on moving ahead. No time for guessing, follow my plan instead. Trusting in what you can see. Take my lead, I'll set you free. Follow me, set me free. Trust me and we will escape from the city. I'll make it through. Follow.
Set me free. Trust me and we will escape from the city. I'll make it through, prove it to you.
Danger is lurking around every turn. Gotta trust your feelings, have to live and learn. I know in some way that we'll make it through. Got no other options, only one thing to do. I don't care what lies ahead. No time for guessing, follow my plan instead. I'd like stage no matter what that may be. Take my lead, I'll set you, follow me. Set me free, trust me and we will escape from the city. I'll make it through, follow.
Follow me, set me free. Trust me and we will escape from the city. I'll make it through, prove it to you.
I'll make it through. Follow me.
Oh god, the good one.
So, oh man, classic anime that reached America, got hugely popular, is still hugely popular, and still might have a revival. Sailor Moon, anyone? You heard that they're making a new one, right?
Yep.
There's so many rumors, and there have been many rumors over the past 12 years. This one, I believe, is legit.
They redid the manga already.
They've redid the manga. They've also created an opening theme for it. I mean, it's a kind of more bubblegum. I guess it's a pretty bubblegum series, though, isn't it?
They made it more Bishoujo than Bishoujo.
It's not so Sentai as it was before. Or Senshi,
I don't know what any of those words mean.
Oh, sorry. There are so many dimensions of nerdness, right? So we have to try to bridge all the gaps. Basically, Sailor Moon is coming back in full force, and it's totally awesome.
Oh, should we move? Yes, I'm in the middle of the video.
Now,
Split or together?
That's a good question.
yeah, let's get.
Okay.
I think I'm still in the shot. Okay, this should be fine. Should we make a little arc? Oh yes, I'll do this.
Yeah.
Okay,
tell
yay!
people.
There we go. Wait, if we're over here, then I could be.
Anything else to say about Sailor Moon?
Cool. Just to aid your audio experience, we gave you a visual experience.
Dinner and a show.
Exactly.
We're gonna be saying the text in Japanese.
Mints and a show. Mints and a show.
Which is
Yeah,
just
mints and water and a show.
hope you can
We're
understand.
classy here.
I think we're good.
Sailor Moon, Sailor Moon.
Yes.
Fighting evil by daylight, winning love by daylight, never running from a real fight. She is the one named Sailor Moon. She will never turn her back on her friends. She's always there to defend. She's the one on whom we depend. She is the one named Sailor Moon, fighting evil by moonlight, winning love by daylight. With the Sailor Scouts to help her fight, she is the one named Sailor Moon. She is the one, Sailor Moon.
Okay,
Cool.
this next song I'm gonna let Sean talk about because I think he's the most.
Yeah.
You spend a lot of nights up late watching Toonami. If you didn't have access to like imported DVDs, Toonami was your gateway to Japan, gateway to this type of animation. So these images they stick with you, you know? So we were watching Cowboy Bebop, and there's a timeless scene. Of course, Yoko Kanno, composer for the whole show. Beautiful, awesome, interesting music all around. But